I'm gonna be center stage right there. So it'd be nice if you guys could you stand right there just so I could see the shot? Okay, perfect. I'm gonna be up here, guys. I want to be right there.
Oh shit.
Okay. That's not how it comes. You gotta go right where the camera is. This is my friend Fernando. This is my friend Fresco. Your name is Fresh? I thought your name was Legend. Did you do that yourself? I need you to hear these jokes. Just go out of the shot. You want to stay here and just chew gum like Johnny Depp? Alright. Fuck it. It's a Tuesday night. You get what you get. You got a pretty lady friend right there. Maybe that's something. Okay. Here's something I found out today, guys. Why trains have final stops? Where they fucking run on batteries? There we go. That's good. Okay. You know it sucks. Okay. This is how black guys have sex. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. There we go. That's how black guys have sex, you guys. Okay. We're out here. And you know what COVID reminds me of? That COVID happened because Chinese scientists took a virus from bats and they just started fucking with it with science and injecting it like whatever, yeah. Like, this is a good idea because who cares? Let's just do it for fun. Right? You know what that reminds me of? They did something similar in Europe. They took wasps. They took different species of wasps, got the meanest ones, and made them... I should. They made them, the mean wasps, have sex just cause. And then they let them out into the wild and fucked up everything, just like COVID. Now you guys deal with cops? A lot of cops? You ever been arrested? Wow. But cops, they just protect and serve themselves. Check out, you guys live in Stanford? Check this out on like Stanford police social media. I guarantee it. And they'll be posing with a retard. A retard. And they'll be like, we love this retarded kid so much, we let him sit in our car. Fernando shows up here. Okay, we love this retarded kid so much, we let him sit in our car. I clicked for Instagram. And then they did this. The fuck out of here, don't touch my badge. I'm going to see it. I will. I'm going to do a bit. You know, that's like a joke. That's what comedians call jokes. They call it a bit. So I'm coming up with something else. I call it a bit. There we go. Fresco. Fresco, right out of the refrigerator. I don't know how to say that in Spanish. Okay, here's my last joke. This is really great. Punching women. Right? You won't believe what right? That's what my friend said. I worked today. There we go. There's my ender. Clap for me. Clap for me. Clap for me. Let's go. Clap for me.
Follow these guys, because these guys like fucking crazy today. It's like the best guy in Stanford. Follow these guys, follow Huey.
Thank you.
Bro, send me the link, bro, when you have